Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you how to make a object follower in microbyte. So if you want to make like when you control your microbyte using your hand, you can follow my tutorial. First, you need to have the microbyte and the tiny bit. This is the shape of the tiny bit. You have to make it by yourself. And after that, this is our microbyte. And don't forget our USB cable for connecting the microbyte to our laptop. Okay, let's get started. First, you go to the microbyte.org. I will give you the link in the description. And now we're gonna make the object follower. First, click new project and then give the name of your project is object follower. And after that, you need to add some extension. I will give you the extension in the link of the extension in what's that the name? Oh yeah, in the description. Okay, you need to give this link, and then after that take the and then after that click enter and then take this extension. Just click it. Maybe okay. This is the for example of our code. We're gonna start it from on start. Go to the on start and then take this block show icon and choose the icon is and the icon is depend on you. Maybe I want to choose the rabbit icon, and then after that go to the neo pixel and take the strip show and then the clear show. Throw this strip variable and then put uh and put under the show icon block, and then after that make a new variables, namely distance, and after that take this one and put it in the show or and clear. What is it? Wait, I gotta see it first. Oh, I'm wrong, guys. So we have to take this one RGB card program, and after that put it inside of the block show and clear block. And now let's add RGB block, and the RGB is depend on you. And now we will change to the other algorithm. Maybe in the first forever we have this algorithm. Okay, follow my step. Right. First, take a set distance variable, and then go to the tiny bit block. You already take the extension, and then after that take this one ultrasonic return distance, and go to the logic. Take if and true block, and add new extension again. And now we're gonna go to the logic again. Take this block. Take this take this block, and then after that go to the variable. Take distance. Put it inside in there inside of the that block, and then after that give the value is 5, and then we're gonna go to sorry go to the logic, and then take this block and block, and then after that take this one, take this one, wait, and then after that change it be this one, and take this one again and change the value being this one. Okay, now we can take the distance and put it in here and in here too, and change the value being 5 and this one being 20, and after that go to the tiny bit, check this one, car control speed run, and change the value being back and the value of this one being 100, and then after that duplicate it, change uh the arrow, change the arrow being run, and then after that the speed is same maybe, and after that in else we just put we just put it being stopped and the speed is 0. Okay, now we're done for the first forever in the our what's the name, our algorithm, and then we're gonna go to the second algorithm. Second algorithm, we need the we duplicate it just duplicate it if you're not if you don't want to take a long time, and then after that delete this one and this two and this, and go to the tiny bit, take this one, no, take this one, the RGB car fellow one fellow, and then duplicate it being 2, wait, and then change the fellow fellow number 3 being 20 255, sorry, and change the fellow 2 being 255, and now we're gonna take this one for the else block. Okay, now it's done, right. Okay, now we're gonna copy and paste, uh, we just duplicate it, and then after that throw this block and this block and this block. We're gonna continue uh in the third algorithm. Go to the basic extension and take show arrow, and then after that change the second north arrow being south, and then in the else take a clear screen. Okay, maybe we enough for the code, and then now we're gonna continue it for uh practice. But first, you need to uh download download this one, download our download our project, and then after that, put it in the mic in your microbyte. Click this one if you want to download. Okay, already for download, and then now I will what's the name? I will tell you how to put it in our what's it the name? Our file explorer. Okay, now I will tell you how to export our project to uh microbyte. So first, go to your project, not in downloads. Maybe you make it in the other, and connect your USB to your laptop and to your microbyte. Oh, I'm sorry. And then after that, you see there is a new folder, and put our project in that new folder. Okay, now already, and we're gonna check what is the function of our block. Okay, now I will tell you how to start to see what is the function in our tiny bit. First, you need to uh, put your microbyte, this microbyte, inside the tiny bit. Okay, if you see there is a hole in there, and then you can put it inside of that hole. Put it, and after you put it, push until the microbyte is stuck. And this is the looks. And now if you already uh put the battery, you can to see the function, you can turn on the microbyte like this, and we're gonna see the function. Wait, I will turn off that first, and then uh when my hand and the microbyte, the distance is mean as less than five, more than five, but less than what's it more than five and less than 20, he will be moved and follow my hand like this, wait, he move and follow my hand. Okay, maybe you can try it by yourself. Maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.